Okay, so let's calculate the CFU per volume of samples. Okay, so in that case, I'll wait and I set up the laser pointer. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so for example, we try to collect seawater samples and we want to know the number of marine bacteria per milliliter. Okay, as I explained in my lecture, let's try to dilute. For example, we prepared some solution for dilution. Yes, 9 milliliter of diluent in one test tube. Okay, set up 3 tubes. Let's transfer the 1 milliliter of samples in first test tube. Mix together. So it means this sample was diluted at 10 times. Okay, let's continue this procedure as the same way. Okay, transfer 1 milliliters to mix with the 9 milliliter of diluent. Yes, it means 10 to the 2 second dilution. So meaning 100 times dilution. Let's continue. Mix, transfer 1 milliliter of samples to next tube. We can get the diluted samples as 1000 diluted samples. Okay. Okay, let's try to transfer the sample at the level of 10 to the third diluent. Mhm. Yes, in that case, let's try to transfer the zero point 0.1 milliliter samples on the surface of agar medium and spread, inoculate, and incubated. After a few days, if we get the, number of 50 colonies on the surface, right? Okay, based on these information, let's try to calculate the bacterial number in original samples. It means the seawater. Okay, very simple mathematics. Yes, we can utilize number of colonies. It means 50 should be multiplied by the level of dilution. In that case, 10 to the third. It means the 1000. Mhm. Okay, the case of unit to get the CFU here per milliliter of samples. So it means I said from this tube we transfer 0 0.1 milliliter on the medium, 0 0.1 milliliter. We need to calculate, right? Per milliliter. In that case, we have to multiply it at the 10 times to adjust the unit. Very simple mathematics, okay? Yes, 50,000, 10. All of values should be multiplied together, right? And finally, we can get this is the result, 5.0 times 10 to the 5 CFU per milliliter in seawater samples. Very simple, right? Okay, just in case, let's confirm. Yes, prepare the diluent, transfer samples in order as a 10 times dilution. 1, 2, 3, and after inoculation on the agar medium, we can get the 50 colonies. Let's try to calculate. We need the number of the colonies, it means 50, and the level of dilution, meaning the 1000. Let's try to adjust the unit per milliliter. We inoculated 0 0.1 milliliter on the surface of agar medium. So it means we have to multiply 10 times, right? And let's calculate. Result shows 5.0 multiplied by 10 to the 5 CFU per milliliter. Okay, very simple procedures. Of course, we can utilize the other samples like soils and hoods and so anything. So very simple, but it's better to learn how to calculate. And I hope please apply this technique to your own experiment. Okay, that's all.